Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be some car cleaning tips and how I clean my car out. So I'm going to be separating this into a couple of phases. The first phase is of course decluttering your car, getting all the garbage and trash out.
Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
So phase 2 is vacuuming your car. Here I'm just vacuuming the seats and the floors, getting all the dirt and rocks out. And then I made this DIY solution. All it is hot water and some Dawn dish liquid. You just shake it up in a spray bottle and spray it on any areas that have stains in your cloth seats, and then just use a shop vac to get all that out. So the next phase is going to be wiping down all your surfaces. Here I pulled all the mats out of my car and I'm just going to scrub them with some soap and water, and then I will let them air dry out in the sun.
Lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
So next I'm washing my car. I'm just wetting it down here with the hose, and then I mix in a bucket some Meguiar's car wash and some water, and then I just scrub it really good with a sponge. This cloth here that I'm wetting down I got from Walmart. It just allows your car to dry super quick, that way you don't get water stains from the sun. All you do is wet it down and then try and wring it out as best you can, and then just get all the water off your car by wiping it all down, and then just keep wringing it out until your car is dry. So here's the inside of my car. I just have a few tips and tricks I want to show you guys. Here is this DIY air freshener that I made with some Scentsy wax melts, and I just popped them in a mason jar, put some holes in the top of the lid, that way when they melt and get warm, it'll make your car smell super good. So here in the center console I have my phone charger hooked up. This allows me to play music as well. I did curl this phone charger just with a pen, and I heated it up with a blow dryer. It just kind of made it a little bit more accessible and a little bit shorter, that way it doesn't take up so much space. So here in the center console I just store a couple things. Here is a duster I got from TJ Maxx, I believe for like $2 or $3. And if you're ever sitting in traffic or if you just need to dust down your surfaces, you can do it super easily. Here's some wet ones, some antibacterial wipes, and I believe these are the same thing, just by Kleenex. I also keep a first aid kit in here. This has some Band-Aids, some gauze pads, and some Neosporin wipes in it. And I also keep Kleenex, so I just have these two on-the-go Kleenex. I also keep this little baggie in here. This has quite a few different things in it. I keep some tampons in there. There's a lint roller, a couple pens, some Advil, and I believe there's a couple hair ties in there as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more content in the future. And I hope to see y'all in the next one.